Another kind of dimension that we can do here in ArchiCAD is the level dimension tool. So I'm going to click on the level dimension tool and click anywhere here in the project. Let's put one dimension here, and there we go. ArchiCAD will automatically detect the level of this slab. As you can see, the slab is blue. So for instance, if I go to this slab here and I click, this is -0.5. And if I go to the first floor and click in another place here, ArchiCAD will tell me what level this element that I'm selecting is. But before doing that, let's see what we can edit on this dimension tool. So I'm going to go here to the settings dialog, and here we can change the size of the marker. I think it's a little bit too big, so I'm going to change it to 3. You can rotate, so you can change the angle of the marker. You can also choose the type of marker. So some places prefer to have the number inside a circle. I'm going to keep it next to the marker. And you can also change the font settings. So I'm not going to change any of that. I'm going to go ahead and press OK. So let's see how it looks now. It's a little bit better for me, but you can go and set up the dimension that you prefer. If you're dimensioning in a section, you're not going to be using this dimension tool. You're going to be using the normal dimension tool. So I'm going to click here, and you can go ahead and dimension just like you would do in a plan. But one thing you can do here is to dimension using those elevation method. So in the elevation method, I can choose to have one single dimension, like I can place anywhere I want, for instance this one or below, or you can have a whole line with dimensions. So for instance, I'm going to choose this point, that point, double click here. Now I can place anywhere, and voila. Now I can select one of those nodes and flip it here, so we can have level dimensions on the sections and elevations. So go ahead, place the level dimensions in the plan, and place some dimensions on the sections and elevations.